Hello students, welcome to the first video lesson from integration. In this video I'll be taking you through the integration, the definition of the integration and the techniques of differentiation. You have already seen this topic in class 12, so we will not go to the depth of this topic. We will see the surface level of this topic, integration. Okay, so you know integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Thus it is also called as the antiderivative. So usually it is denoted by integration f dash of f of x dx, where this sign is called as integral sign. F of x is called as integrand and c is called the constant of integration. So after the integration you must always put plus c. Okay, therefore the process of finding the integration of a function is called as integration. So we have a few rules here, around 5, 6, 7 rules, basic rules. So if k is constant and if you have to integrate the constant, so you take it out outside the integration sign, or integration of dx is always x. So kx plus c, where k is constant. So second one, the power rule. You have already seen this power rule in differentiation as well as in integration. Now it's coming. So x to the power n dx. So power will increase by 1, and whatever power is coming here you divide it by that power. Integration of 1 by x is always log x. Okay, integration of a to the power x, where a is constant, is equal to a to the power x divided by log a plus c. Then integration of any exponential function is the function itself times you have to differentiate what is there in the power. Okay, as of now the power is 1, the differentiation of x is 1, thus we write it like that only. So now if you have any function like constant times a function, so constant will come outside the integration sign and you have to integrate the function. Okay, if you have any addition, subtraction of the function, then the integration of this function is going to become individual integration of the function. Okay, now let's see an example. So integration of 1 dx. 1 is constant, it comes outside the integration sign. Dx is x, so 1 into x is x plus c. X to the power 3, power rule. So increase the power by 1, divide by the same power. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus c, x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now if you look at this example number 3 here, so say 1 divided by 3x square dx. So first constant will come outside the integration sign, then remaining it will be here. So once you bring the constant outside, you try to take this value to the numerator. When you take to the numerator, the sign of the power will change, so it's minus 2. Then apply the integration sign, what integration value. So 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 plus 1. That means now you're using power rule, plus 1 divided by whatever power is coming, you are writing here. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So this minus sign will always go to the numerator, minus 1 plus c. So now if you want to make this positive, you can bring to the denominator here, plus c. Now for the same question that I have done just above, we can use this direct method. It's not required to use that lengthy method to solve the questions. So there are a few steps for the lengthy method. So directly assign the negative sign to the numerator. If you get that kind of question, then reduce the power of denominator by 1, and whatever power is obtained after the reduction in the denominator, write it as the coefficient of the variable. Okay, all these 3 steps I'll explain here one by one, and the previous question also I'll solve using the direct method here. For example, you have 1 by x square. If you have to solve this using the normal process, then you have to use integration of, you have to take off minus 2 dx, then you have to add 1, subtract 1, then put the negative sign. So directly, if you use the first step, directly assign the negative sign to the numerator. Negative sign to the numerator, minus 1. Okay, then reduce the power of the denominator by 1. That is 2, so you are reducing by 1, so 1 here. Whatever power you obtain after the reduction in the denominator, you write it as the coefficient of the variable. So you write it here. Since 1 is here, so usually we don't write 1 here. Okay, so other power means you can write. For example, you can see this example number 2 here, 1 by 3 x cube, 1 by x to the power 3. So directly minus 1 here. Then you are reducing the power by 1. So to whatever the power is coming, you are writing it as the coefficient here, direct here. So now if you look back the times quotient, I think we have 6 steps there. So 1 by 3 you take outside, 1 by x square is coming. So 1 by 3. So this different integration is minus 1 by x. So multiply, you are getting minus 1 by 3x, which is same as what we got in the previous step here, minus 1 by 3x plus c. Okay, now let's take a look at another example, 2 to the power x dx. So this is like in the a to the power x dx, where a is constant. So 2 to the power x divided by log 2 log e plus c. Now let's look at this integration. So we have 3-4 values here. So you can split this integration sign to individual values here. So x square 1 by x e to the power x cube divided by 3 plus log x plus e to the power x plus c. This is direct. Now let's try to solve this one here. So integration of 1 by root x. So first you convert to power form. Integration of 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 dx. You may likely to use the direct method that I have taught. If you cannot use in the fraction, you always take this to the numerator. So I can write this one as integration of x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. So now I can apply the power rule here. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So which I can write it as x to the power, so take LCM here, minus 1 plus 2 is 1 by 2. Whatever you get here, you get 1 by 2 plus c. Always you have to write plus c, which is equal to, now 2 will go up, so you can write 2 x to the power 1 by 2 plus c, which is equal to 2 root of x plus c. Okay, now let's see example number 4. So it's x square plus 5 x minus 3 dx. Okay, so now you can simply multiply this individual variable here with this one, then you can directly take the integration of this. So x cube 5x 3x square minus 15. So now x cube x to the power 4 divided by 4, then 5 will come outside. You can write directly x square by 2 minus integration of x square x cube by 3 minus 15x plus c. So 3 will get cancelled and you can simplify this. Okay, now let's try to see this another example, a little different example. So whenever you have this kind of question, you can split this question or divide by the single denominator here. So since there is a single function in the denominator, we can divide. If you have multiple functions in the denominator, then you can't divide. Okay, so we can write this as x to the power 4 divided by x square dx plus integration of 2x square divided by x square plus integration of 1 by x square dx. Now some terms will get cancelled, so x square, so integration of x square dx plus x square will get cancelled, 2x dx, okay, plus integration, so 1 by x square dx. Now you can integrate, so x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 2x plus, so this is going to become not plus minus. Now you can use this shortcut method here, direct method. So minus 1 divided by reduce the power by 1 x plus c. So this is your answer. Okay, now you can try. Okay, your turn now. So you can try these questions. Okay, and let me know if you do not know the solutions for it.